Now let's go to the settings page. Here you can activate or deactivate modules from your project. Let's activate them all. And let's start with the authentication module. So here you can see your registered users, and you can also create new users. So let's create a new user. All your users are also shown on the users table in the database, as well as their IP addresses and last connection dates. You can also add more fields to keep track of additional data for each user. Here we're adding a custom field which is of type Boolean.